Hi, and welcome to our Ask Astera video series. In this series, we take frequently asked questions and attempt to answer them. This week's question is, can we find a certain value in a data set and replace it by another in AsteraCenterprise? The answer is yes, we can. Amongst the other extensive features for cleansing raw data, AsteraCenterprise offers a find and replace functionality in the data cleanse transformation. Using this option, we can replace a value in the source dataset with our desired value. Not only this, but it also provides the user with the flexibility to perform the action on a case-sensitive basis. There are three search modes to perform find and replace action. The first one is normal mode. It performs normal find and replace function, which means it will simply find the value specified in the find bar and replace it with the one in the replace bar. The second one is the extended mode, which is useful when we want to replace tabs, line breaks, or a character and replace it with our desired value. The third mode allows you to perform find and replace action based on some regular expression. You can simply write your regular expression in the find bar and the desired value in the replace bar. It will process the entire dataset accordingly, and whatever value matches the regular expression, it will be replaced by the value that you have specified in the replace bar. This is how you can find and replace values using data cleanse transformation in AsteraCenterprise.